What up, YouTube, man? We back at it Sunday. We got Sunday Fun Day, man. We just came from the dirt. As y'all seen, yesterday we was out there off-roading in the RV with everything, having fun with the kids, man. So today we back at it. We got to get back to it and get back on schedule. So for everybody tuning in today, I don't know if everybody caught the conversation we had. About that frame. So today is going to be the day. Today we're taking the frame off of the bike. The only main reason why I'm doing this is just because we don't have the motor yet. We still waiting. Like I said, I still literally have another week or so. So while we are waiting, why not make the bike better? It's only going to take a little bit of time and a little bit of effort that I'm already capable of, and I can do it. So with that being said, today we're going to take off all the paint set, put it to the side, lay it on the floor, separate the transmission from the frame and the swing arm and all that good stuff. Put it on the floor, clean it up, get it ready for the powder coat shop. So tomorrow, Monday morning, we can take it straight to the powder coat, pick up our other parts that we have at the powder coat shop. And then we'll be able to come back Tuesday, Wednesday, pick it up, assemble the bike, have it back in the same condition it's in right now by the end of the week. So that way when the motor comes, it's game time. When the rim's done this week, it's game time. So I'm telling y'all, it's time to go up, man. It's time to find out where this bike and this truck is headed, because I'm telling you, it could be you next. It's all it takes is a little bit of support, a little bit of effort. All you got to do if you haven't done it yet is go in the description below, go on BuiltByDre.BigCartel.com and grab you a Kicks by Dre cap, red, or you can grab you a SLIDN keychain, Built by Dre keychain, or a SLIDN not hiding keychain. My mind is raging right now. Y'all don't even know. I had so much to do. And it'd be so crazy because it's like, it's just so crazy, man, how life really worked, doing all this stuff, like coming from the dirt and come back here, getting everything back on track. And it's so much more convenient and easier now that I have the house and I'm not going to my mom's house to unload, going to the storage to drop the trailer off, then still have to go to my apartment to take all my own personal belongings. So this is a much easier situation. It's just be crazy to reflect and look back how far I done came just with the simplest stuff, because I'm telling y'all, every day we trying to grind, get to the top and get to the next level. So that's what we doing right now today, man. We about to go ahead and get in the garage, get it going, get all these bikes on the way. I'm literally trying to be in the Bay Area like this weekend. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So I'm trying to get that last bike finished up 100% fully complete so we can get that thing delivered and dropped off to the winner. By the time we come back for that, hopefully we can go live this Friday. That's the goal, y'all. Let's go live this Friday and pick the winner for the truck and the bike. So if you haven't got in yet, get in to win it today for $25 below. Like I said, in the description below, it's going to be right there waiting on you, big dog. But we about to get it in, man. Y'all see what's going on. We working. Yes, sir, man. We are back in the garage, y'all. We about to go ahead and bust him down right here, take him apart, strip him down, get him ready for what's coming, because I'm telling y'all, it's about to be game time. You already know what's going on, man. We got a little bit of the powder coat on there. We still got some of the parts over there in the box with the original motor. I'm keeping that for everybody that keep asking me. I'm gonna still break that down because I can still take that to Harley and get new casing. So we still keeping that to the side. But like I said, man, we got everything on the way. We're gonna disassemble all of this. The paint is really too much of nothing. I'm gonna lay it on the carpet, keep it on the floor nice and safe. The bars is in the powder coat shop along with the crash bar. So those gonna be freshly powder coated. We gotta just get the legs powder coated. So we're gonna bust those down today, separate the frame, and then we going from there, y'all. We about to drop off the frame, swing arm, and the subframe with the legs at the powder coat. So stay tuned for that, y'all. Y'all see what's going on. And the good thing about it, it's a rush, but it's really no rush. When you're doing it like this, it's always good to assemble what you got, see how it looks, so I know what I want to change, what I don't want to change. So that's why I'm not tripping on the position that it's in right now, because it's only going to get better. Y'all got to understand that. We still got the custom 2318 coming on here, single disc, all the good stuff. I'm telling y'all, it's going to be game time. Y'all got to just understand the vision that I'm going for and have some faith in your boy. But shout out to the ones that already been believing in me and still believing in me, man, because I'm telling y'all, I appreciate y'all more than anything. And just know, we working, man. We working. We getting it little by little, man. We working, making it happen, man. So stay tuned if you enter the win to that joint, man. Just know your time is coming, man. And it look like nothing right now, but I'm telling y'all, when it's done, it's done. Just understand that, man. It's done. But we about to go ahead and get to it, man. I got to give me some boots. I got the slippers on still. We about to get to it, though, man. Yes, sir, man. So I ain't gonna lie, it has been a long time coming, but we finally got it. Like I've been telling y'all, man, I've been wanting to do this. I just was trying to get y'all opinion on it because the time difference, but the fact that we have to wait on this motor, we have no choice but to powder coat this frame now. So let's check it out, man. We done finally got this thing going, y'all. We're about to go ahead and get this thing wet up and get it nice and clean. So stay tuned, man. We got the frame. What it do, man? We got the frame, the swing arm, the subframe over there. All that's about to get powder coated. So like I said before, man, if you haven't entered a win for this joint with the truck, man, make sure you go ahead and hit the description below. Go ahead and grab you a keychain or a hat to enter to this joint, man, because I'm telling y'all, it's about to be wet up and clean. I can't wait, man. It's about to be lit, but stay tuned, man. We sliding, not hiding, y'all.